this leads us into the fifth main section of the article, which is the center of energy theorem. The center of energy theorem states if the center of energy of a closed system is at rest, then its total momentum is zero. Which, by saying that, this will lead us into the intro of hidden momentum. So the electromagnetic momentum can be canceled. Base proof on the vanishing divergence of a stress energy momentum tensor, which is equation 43 there. It's just, equation 43 is just the energy momentum tensor. And then for equation 44, this is the reduced form of 43. And S in equation 44 is energy flux vector, and U is the energy density. Equation 45 is just the momentum density. Way to write that. And 45, S vanishes as surface is taken to infinity. And also the volume integral vanishes if d plus v equals 0. Okay, and then this, with both of those things I just said, this proves the theorem that the momentum equals 0. For our equation 44, this holds for mechanical systems for electromagnetic energy. Another theorem, Poynting theorem for electromagnetic energy has an extra term that contradicts equation 44, which then changes equation 44 into 45. This theorem actually changes 45 to equation 48, sorry. And that's where you get 48. Equation 48, like I just said, equation 45 gets changed. And then this now proves the center of energy theorem. Poynting theorem shows that center of energy theorem does not hold. So this then leads us to the sixth section. Hidden momentum only purpose is to cancel electromagnetic momentum. This is done to make zero momentum to show the proof for the center of energy theorem. No way to detect the hidden momentum. Another one example is a current loop case. The conducting charges accelerate on one side of the loop and decelerate on the opposite side because of external electric field. This causes imbalance in relativistic mechanical momentum, which would lead to hidden momentum. This relies on an external electric field penetrating the wire. This does not actually happen. So it's saying this is not the case. The external electric field with no current would just create a surface charge on the loop and not have accelerating charges. Only electric field on the electric external charge distribution affects momentum of the current in the wire. A current in the wire does not lead to electromagnetic momentum, in contradiction of the center of energy. Static electric field was thought to accelerate charges moving in a non-conducting tube. This would lead to hidden momentum. This would not work because it would first rearrange the charges in the current to not allow any static electric, to not allow any of the static electric field through. Moving charges in two oppositely charged rotating disks with charges fixed in each other's disk. These disk charges enclosed in liquid and a non-conducting tube. Both these situations don't work because the charges cannot be moved around to exclude an external electric field. So basically there is no such thing as hidden momentum. So any of these equations through this article that we're relying on hidden momentum do not work, since there is no such thing as hidden momentum. Thank you.